Good morning, children. Today, discuss about a day in the ashram. C.F. Andrews, written by the C.F. Andrews. C.F. Andrews, Charles P. Andrews, 1871 to 1914. So he is born 1872. He is alive. C.F. Andrews. Andrews, 1871 to 1940. So 1940 is the date. Was an English priest of the Church of England. He was an educator and Indian freedom fighter. He became Mahatma Gandhiji's closest friend and associate. Andrews reveals his experience while he stayed in the ashram. Shantiniketan was founded by Rabindranath Tagore. It is a school with the difference where students learn with great joy. So here, page number 2. Words cannot picture to you the beauty of Shantiniketan, our own poet and teacher, whom we call Gurudeva. So who is a Gurudeva? So Gurudeva is Rabindranath Tagore. So he is a Gurudeva. Is called as Gurudeva. Has named it in his song, "The Darling of Our Hearts," and it is worthy of the name. All who have visited the ashram, old and young, alike have felt its inner beauty growing more and more upon them. One day in the ashram with the boys, that would perhaps best bring home to you its inner beauty long before sunrise, like the birds in our own Ambloki grows. Our boys are awake. The choristers are the first to rise, and they go round the ashram singing their morning hymn. You can hear the voices in the distance of drawing nearer and nearer. And then the sound dies away as the chori passes on to another part of the ashram. And to another. Then the dies away as the chori passes on to another part of the ashram. And then again it comes nearer and nearer. The beauty of the sound in the silent morning air and the senses of joy and reminiscences which it brings give peace to the soul. So here the children, C.F. Andrews during the a day in the ashram. So he has stay in the ashram of Shantiniketan. What is Shantiniketan? Shantiniketan is established by the Gurudeva. When he called as Gurudeva means Rabindranath Tagore. So he is a established of the ST means establishment of the Shantiniketan. So it is the staying ashram. So here the Church of England, Andrews is a priest of the Church in England. He was educator in Indian freedom fighters. He became the Mahatma Gandhiji's closest friend and associate. So he is a best friend of the Mahatma Gandhiji and also educator and guider for the in freedom fighters. Andrews reveals the experience while he stayed in the ashram. Shantiniketan was founded by Rabindranath Tagore. It is a school written with a difference where students ಲರ್ನ್ ವಿತ್ ಜಾಯ್. ಸೊ ಆ ಒಂದು ಈ ಒಂದು ಶಾಂತಿನಿಕೇತನದಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಸಹ ಸಂತೋಷದಿಂದ ತುಂಬ ಕಾಲವನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು. ಅಂದರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಬ್ಬರು ಸಹ ಯಾವುದೇ ರೀತಿ ಚಿಂತೆಯನ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಅಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಶಾಂತಿಯುತವಾಗಿ ಬದುಕ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು. ಶಾಂತಿನಿಕೇತನ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಗಾಂಧೀಜಿಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಇಷ್ಟವಾಗಿದ್ದಂಥ ಸ್ಥಳ. The words cannot picture of the beauty. So here look at the picture, dear students. So here the building is a Shantiniketana. The old Shantiniketana, it is the one of the ashram. So at the same time, words cannot picture and beauty of the Shantiniketana or the poet of the teacher whom called as Gurudeva has named it. It is the song and darling of our heart. So it is the heart touch of the in Shantiniketana. ಆ ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥೆ ಏನಿತ್ತು ಅಂದರೆ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಬ್ಬರು ಸಹ ಹೃದಯ ಮುಟ್ಟುತ್ತಿ ಇರಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು.